Hi guys, in this video I will show how you can quickly close X% of an existing position on Interactive Brokers TWS using Excel. So let's get started. So I have opened the Excel tool and I have also logged into my Interactive Brokers TWS paper trading account. And as you can see, I'm currently long in ITC 100 shares with average price of 401.78. Now, let's say I want to close 30% of this existing position using market order. So all I need to do is go back to Excel, change this value to 30 and click on place tagged. So this will transmit a sell market order for 30 shares. And this is not executing right now because the market is closed. Now let me show you how I have set up this Excel. So the first section in this Excel sheet is the contract details section. In this section, we specify the details of the contract in which we want to place the order. So for ITC stock contract, we need to specify the symbol, that is ITC, security type, that is STK for stock, exchange is NSE for National Stock Exchange of India, and currency is INR. I have currently hidden a few fields in this section as these are not required to be specified for a stock contract. But if it's an option contract, for example, then we would also need to specify expiry, right, and strike. And for some contracts, we might also need to specify the primary exchange and the multiplier field. So let's hide these fields for now. Next, we have the market data section. In this section, Excel automatically fetches live streaming market data for whatever contract is specified in the contract details section. So fields like bid, ask, last, current position, and the average cost of the current position. So let's say if we change this symbol to Reliance, then this Excel will automatically update the market data for the Reliance contract. And since we don't have any existing position in Reliance, these two columns are blank. There are a few other fields in this section that I have currently hidden as these are not required for our case. So fields like high, low, close, delta, theta, and IV. Let's hide these fields for now. Let's change this symbol back to ITC. Next, we have the order details section. In this section, we specify the details of the order that we want to place. So in our case, we want to place market order to close some portion of our existing position. So we only need to specify the action and the quantity field in the parent section. So I have used Excel formulas to compute these fields. So the action field is sell if the current position is greater than 0, else it's buy. And quantity is computed based on the value specified in this cell and the current existing position. So once we have set up this Excel, it becomes quite quick and easy to close a portion of the position. So let's say if we want to close 70% of the position, all we need to do is change this value to 70 and click on place tagged. So this will transmit a sell market order with quantity of 70. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any questions, feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.